Alright, so here's how to change inverted colors display on your Android device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know how to change inverted colors. First up, what you need to do is just simply head over to settings. Once you're inside your settings, so what you need to do is just simply swipe down a bit until you see the option of either accessibility or more options. So let me just quickly find that option, and here as you can see it says additional settings. Let's go ahead and press on that. But you initially need to find the option of accessibility. So go ahead and press on accessibility right over here. Once you do that, you'll see the option like general and everything, but you just gotta go ahead and press on vision because we're here for inverted colors. And you just need to scroll down and you'll see display, but right over here you'll see the option of color inversion. So it's turned on for me right now. So if I go ahead and press on that, here as you can see it's turned on. So if I press turn it off, here as you can see the color inversion is basically turned off, and yeah, it's back to normal. But if I want to turn it back on, I'm just going to do this. Or if you want a shortcut for it, you can just go ahead and press on shortcut. And here as you can see it says volume keys option or the accessibility button, but you just need to go ahead and press on OK. And right over here as you can see on the corner of my screen, it's this accessibility icon. So if I press on it, right over here as you can see the color inversion will be automatically turned on, and if I just simply press on it again, and it's back to normal. So yeah, this is it.